What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your mobile devices or your PC. So you can use it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even your emulators. So guys, for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And click on Delta Executor, so it should load up, and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, it's pretty easier to go with your username, so I will just continue with my username just like this. And guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing that will actually enter here. Click connect account and it will start fetching our Roblox profile. So guys, you should get this account confirmation, and if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and boom, that's pretty much it. Very successfully connected. Oops. And guys, now click on import newest Delta Executor, and if you want, you can select additional scripts to get along your Delta. So I will select Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Solix Hub. These 4 scripts, you can Google and see what they do. So I will go with these 4 for start. Let's test it together. Click continue, guys, and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. And look at this, API is connected, our Delta is ready, and we got already our activation key. Look at this, guys. It's so amazing. Let's click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So let's see what we will get, and boom, Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Look at this. Our user account and our Delta Executor key is fully unrevealed. Look at this. We got full activated key. Let's open our Roblox right now and let's see, is it actually working? So guys, let's test it on Blocks Fritz, for example. Let's click play, and then we will see, are we actually getting it? So guys, we should get fully activated Delta along 4 scripts selected. Let's rotate my phone and let's see. Oh my god, look at this, guys. It's the sign that we will actually get our Delta for free. Look at this. Thank you for using Delta, guys. I'm so excited because we actually got this. Let's check up for the scripts so we make sure. Yeah, guys, Overflow, Forge Hub, Solix, and NICUs, just as we selected. Click, guys, on any script that you like. Let's select this and look at this. We will get it fully activated. Look at this, guys. It's sick. Click farming, click whatever you like, guys. You can click there and you will get automatic farming and all these amazing features. You can also click there. Let me show you there and search for Blocks Fritz, for example. Type there Blocks Fritz and you will get also scripts that you can also test. Look at this, guys. It's so amazing. We got it automatically working. Guys, that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.